So the value in having the Alba quick pin release kit is pretty simple. I look at things, what's my time worth, right? I'm on a trip, I'm on vacation, I'm with my family, it's getting dark. You know, any scenario, I'm gonna save time changing my belt. Pretty simple. You just go in there. You're not looking for a bag of tools, you're not unscrewing anything. You're pulling pins. That's it. You're just pulling the pins out. Pretty simple. So by the time I'm done pulling pins, you may have found your tool. A shitty tool they send you from the factory. I'm changing a belt. You're still looking for your tool. That's the value in that. Let's say you don't have any tools. There's the value in that. You're changing your belt. So, to me, what's your time worth when you're shopping? Look for what you want, look for what you need. Think about your build before you build it. So I took it off super fast. You're still looking for your tool. If you brought your tools. Let's see how quick I can put it on. Now I'm not gonna race through this. I'm just gonna do it as if I was on the trail. Slid in. Make sure all my pins are clear. It's on. No tools. Not looking for bolts I may have lost in the dirt. We've all done that. So I'm not going to rush through this. This isn't a race. I'm almost done though. So do things once, do it right. I went through a lot of mud and water on my last trip. I had these pins on. I think I did 1,300 miles. I still didn't blow a belt. You don't want water in the clutch or on the belt. That's it, I'm done. All of them are back in. I'm back in my car. I'm not putting anything away. I'm not putting my bag away. I'm done.